how to share internet using USB tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app, 9 Setting. Scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. After click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and click on, you will see USB tethering is here. So insert cable. After insert cable, here showing you USB tethering button. If you want to share internet using USB tethering, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see your USB tethering is shared. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can share internet USB using tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.